It wouldn't be buffalo fried chicken if it didn't come with a buffalo style sauce. Obviously, it's called buffalo chicken, so we need to make the buffalo sauce, which is step 3 of our preparation. And here are the ingredients. We have about 2 tablespoons of gravy powder. Now this helps bind everything together. We have 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, a tablespoon of very hot chili sauce, and a tablespoon of ketchup. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is create the gravy, because that, again, as I said, will bind everything together. There's nothing worse than having a buffalo sauce that splits, where the butter goes one way and the rest of the sauce goes the other. It's very unsightly and doesn't really taste very nice. So this will help emulsify the sauce. So I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of water together with the gravy powder, and then I'm going to simply stir it up a little and pop it into the microwave for about a minute. So here we have it. The gravy powder has thickened in the microwave and it will help bind everything together. So first I want to put in the ingredients except for the butter. So in goes the sugar, in goes the ketchup, and the other wet ingredients. And we're going to give these a quick mix with the fork. And now I'm going to switch to a whisk, because what we want to do is get that butter completely emulsified in the sauce. So the butter goes in, and because the sauce is hot, it will melt, but it will melt into the sauce opposed to staying separate. So here we go, the butter is all gone, fully emulsified. So let's give it a quick taste test. Oh, yeah, that is exactly how we want to taste. Slightly vinegary, but buttery and spicy, and it's going to perfectly complement that seasoning mix that we are going to put on the chicken in the next step. So stand by for frying Chef Rob's buffalo chicken.